already tell that's a Neil Young song, which is that feel. Right? It's a brand new song. It's called Separate Ways. Very blue song, but a cool song with some great chords in it. So I'm excited to teach it for you. If you got any Neil Young favorites, please let me know. Hit me up, and I'd love to hear your comments if you got a Neil Young favorite song. Most of us do. Down by the River, Cinnamon Girl, all the stuff he did with Buffalo Springfield. Really genius songwriter. So I'm going to break this down into the intro, which is actually the same chords as the chorus, and then I'm going to give you the verse, which is much more detailed, has some sophisticated chords to it. So back to the intro is E minor, C, A7. Is that 3 times? E minor, C, A7. One more time. E minor, C, A7. And it goes to C, to G. One more time. So that's the intro. Now for the verse, which has got a lot more meat in it, a lot more chords in it, but they're very, very cool things. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including the tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free, and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. Here's the verse. So I'm going to show you what that is now. You got an E minor chord here, shaped like that, with your second finger on the A string, your third finger tucked under on the D string. So I'm just going to, rather than call out the chords to you, I'm just going to show you a really easy way to play it. Here's the lick we're going to do together. It's a descending chromatic lick. That's the bones of it. Now I'm going to do it in a chordal form. It looks like this. That's your E minor, and you flatten your E note on your D string. Okay? You've heard this before. Then open D. Then you're going to move up to a C sharp on your A string, which is the 4th fret, 3rd finger A string. And then the 1st finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, the E note. So it sounds like this. Take it slowly. Open D, C sharp, or it could be an A7 as well. And then a C, and then a D sharp diminished. Don't let that scare you. Just nothing more than a D7th chord with a D sharp and the bass here on the D string, 1st fret. Sounds like this. And then it goes to the C, to a G. Okay? So let's take that together slowly, because it's really worth doing right. Okay? So you get your E minor, and walk it down chromatically to a C chord, to the D sharp diminished, 7th, and then a C. Go to the chorus. The chorus is the same chords as the intro. You come down, and this is in typical Neil Young style. You get that muted E string. It's important to know this. So here's the chorus feel. We got our E minor, C to A. It sounds like this. E minor, C, So how do we get out of the song, you may ask? At the last chorus, okay, is see, separate ways. One more time. See, yeah, separate ways. Now it goes into the verse form. You know, the harmonica thing here. Fades on harmonica there, so you can go as long as you want on that. If you're playing with a bunch of people, jam on it. See how I use that A7th there? You can. This is an alternative. You can go, which is nice because it's very nice chromatic, right? And then to the C, or you can go. You can use an A7th chord here. Just kind of Beatley sounding. I kind of, for this song, to keep it really dark, I'd go. And it leads so nicely into that C. And then diminished. So that's Separate Ways. Hit me up. And please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you got any requests or a favorite Neil Young song. I'll see you down the road.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!